Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I took a 3-foot long piece of red oak, some 4mm thick yarn, and turned it into this awesome ombre wall art. I'm really happy with how it turned out. If I had to do it all over again, I would have added a little more black paint to the water mixture for the ends. As you can see, they're a little light, but I'm pretty happy with how the ombre effect worked here. I hope you liked the video as much as I did making this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I thank you so much for watching.